Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today?
Multi-shadow clone jutsu! I swear, every time I get my nails done, I be ratchet as heck, just extra talking on with my hands. Tapping on junk, don't even need tapping on. Just got some mail. Sometimes I hate myself, sometimes.
I'm worried about the way I've been living.
Hey, it is Sunday and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get the polygel nails that I always have at home. I've been doing my nails for a really long time now, and this is definitely my favorite method. Also, quarantine or not, this is a great way to save some money. Everything I bought about my own money, nothing is sponsored. I got everything off of Amazon, and they're actually really easy to do and kind of fun. Like, it's fun. If you have any questions about anything, leave a comment down below. I'm not surprised. I'm not a professional, so. Matter of fact, I haven't even perfected this yet. I'm kind of still learning. Also, I'm gonna be trying out a new color today. I always do white, but today I'm gonna try pink. If this don't turn out right, you know why. Pray for me, y'all. First thing you will need, which is the most important, is the PolyGel Nail Kit. I'm trying to do a video, and he's making all this noise while I'm trying to make a video. Douglas. It looks like this. I got it off of Amazon. It's absolutely amazing because it comes with literally everything you'll need. Doug! So this is the polygel. I usually only use the white, but it comes with clear, white, and then a couple of shades of pink. This is the brush that you'll be using. One end has the brush that you'll use to like mold the polygel, and the other one is like a spatula. And it comes with the base coat and the top coat and the nail forms. These are not tips, and they're a lot bigger, and you use them completely different. You will also absolutely need an LED light. I got this off of Amazon. It's absolutely amazing. Works very well. This is optional. You don't need this, but it definitely cuts down on a lot of time. I have an electric drill. I got this off of Amazon as well. Or you can just use a normal nail file. I also use this to shape them. Another thing that I got is this like nail care kit from Amazon. It just has like a bunch of different tools in there. I just use this to like clean up my normal nails before I start. And lastly, you're gonna need some rubbing alcohol for the brush. So first, you're gonna clean your nails and make sure that there's no oil or dirt on them whatsoever. Also, the cleaner they are, the longer they'll last. One thing I like to do is push my cuticles back, because if the polygel touches your skin, it'll start lifting very soon. So that's one way to make them last a lot longer. Alright, so my nails are all prepped and clean. The next thing you're going to do is put the polygel into the little nail forms. You want to size this so that it's a little bit bigger than what you actually need, just a little bit. Today I'm going to be using this natural pink color. Here's what I'm not good at, is measuring how much I'm supposed to put in these things. So you just squeeze some of it out, take the spatula, and then pull it off. After that, you put it into the nail form, use the other side, this little brushed side, and mold it in there. And here's why you're gonna need the alcohol, because otherwise it's gonna stick to the brush. Take your time with this, don't rush. This is the part where I really suck at. My next tip is do all of these before you apply the base coat to your nails, because that base coat is kind of sticky, and then like hair and all kind of stuff just gets stuck in there while you're trying to do these, and you don't want that, so do.
And oh.
Okay, I am done. They should look something like this. This is literally the most difficult part, so take your time. I do not have that thing called patience. Patience, anyone spare patience? No? Next, you are going to apply the base coat to your real nails and then cure them in the LED light. one hand at a time. I do not paint the second hand because the base coat gets really sticky. So I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds and then we're going to apply the polygel. Again in the LED light, but this time I'm gonna do it for 60 seconds. Next, you just pop them off. Don't be scared. Okay. Alright, so this is what they're looking like. They're all toe back because I did not take the time to like try and actually sculpt them because I'm actually just going to use the drill. So the next step will be to file these down and shape them properly. I'm going to use my drill because it's just so much faster. Is done. Now that it looks like you skipped wash day, we are ready to go on to the next step, which is to apply the top coat. All right, if it looks like they're like scratchy and you messed it up, that's okay. It'll actually go away when you put the top coat on there, but there's no going back from here. So make sure that they are the shape that you want them because after this, that's it. Now I'm gonna do this one hand at a time again, and the last time we're gonna have to put it in the light. I'm gonna do 30 seconds. So I am done. This is what they're looking like. I really like this pink actually. It was a lot cuter than I thought it was. So definitely gonna be using this one more often. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to get back to you. I am not a professional, by the way, so if I did something wrong, I'm not surprised. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe so I can make more videos. And yeah, I will see you guys